In front of me is FreeYond M6 and today I would like to show you how you can operate a voice recorder. Begin by opening Recorder app and tapping on Allow if you never used it before. Then before recording, use this gear at the bottom on the left and adjust all of those options however you want to. When you finished, go back, click on this red button at the bottom in the middle and start recording. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same middle button. To add a bookmark, unpause your recording and click on the left one. And to end it and save it on the right one. Then to access your recording, use this icon on the right with 3 lines when recording is off. Then to play the chosen one, click on it. If you want to, you can also just hold it. Click on those 3 dots at the top right corner and, for example, rename it. Then hit save in the pop-up. If you want to get rid of it, hold it again and this time use this bin next to 3 dots. Then hit allow and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!